The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sequatchie County in East Tennessee, southeastern Marion County in East Tennessee, Hamilton County in East Tennessee, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jasper, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Chattanooga. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Chattanooga, Jasper, Soddy Daisy, Signal Mountain, Walden, Lakeside, Whitwell, Ridgeside, Fairmount, and Harrison. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 15. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.